So in today's video, I'm so excited about this. This is the AIA Beauty Bundle, and they collabed with my girl, Alicia Keys. So this is all her skincare, not all, but some of her skincare products. It is called the Keys, and we got something in our BoxyCharm. It was like a moisturizer that said Keys, and I really liked it, but I did not realize that was Alicia Keys brand. So I am so excited to unbox this and see what is inside. I have not even cut the tape or anything. So if you want to see what's inside, here are my thoughts and opinions. And is it worth the money? Then keep on watching. All right, I just filmed a couple boxes, and I don't know, but I'm getting like a heat wave, not a heat wave, like a hot flash. And so I had to put my hair up. I don't know how it looks because I didn't even look in the mirror, so bear with me. Anyway, this is the March 2022 AIA. It is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is $34 a month. It used to be bi-monthly. Now it is monthly. I do have a discount code. It's justanne. That will save you, I believe it's like 10% off your subscription. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. I noticed last month some of you guys told me it wasn't working. If my code is not working, let me know so I can reach out to the company. And yeah, let's just open her up because I am so excited. I know I always say skincare. The cohort, I'm like, I don't know what that was about. Let me fold it up. I just opened up the cohort box, which was all skincare, but it was a new brand from Denmark, the country Denmark, and I was so excited to like open that up, you know, because it's new and it was different. Even here, like I am really excited because I heard it was really good, and a lot of her stuff is always sold out, you know. Okay, anyway, it says when you open her up, it says be strong, be strong, be beautiful, be you. And one thing also I like about this is every month they curate with a different like influencer or brand, which I like that. That way you get to try the brand and see if you like the stuff. I think that's nice. And this puppy was heavy. Holy cow, that is a lot. Okay, so there we go. I mean, isn't she just gorgeous? Who remembers her back in the day? Oh my God. What was that song? Let me look it up that I used to love. If I Ain't Got You. I can't play too much of it because YouTube will... Okay, that's it, because YouTube might copyright me. Okay, let's do a little sneak peek. That's a lot of stuff. All right, I'm so excited. So you always get a card, tells you what everything is in your box and gives you prices. We like that. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. That's pretty good. That was 5. We get 6 things. Okay. The first thing, which is the biggest one, it's called, so her brand must be called Keys SOulcare. And this is a cleanser. And this is really heavy. So it's a golden cleanser for $20. So her stuff is reasonably priced, which is great, because usually a lot of celebrity brands, they're like overpriced, that you're basically paying for the name. You know what I mean? This is how the lotion was. Look at that. It's so beautiful, her packaging. Wow. And then right here, you would take that off, you know, so that you can start pumping or whatever. I'm not going to do that. And it's glass. This is so pretty. This is nice to put like, if you have like a vanity or something like that in your bathroom, but wow, it's a cleanser. So, okay. So the next thing is a mist. So we have a mist. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's see what it says. This is the Reviving Aura, if I'm even saying that right, mist. It's a naturally rose-scented face mist spray and toner formulated with rose and Jericho and witch hazel. So witch hazel is good like if you have oily skin or if you have like acne and stuff. I know a lot of people don't like the scent of rose. I do. So let's see like how much rose is in there, you know? I just can't get, would you look at this packaging? My God, it's beautiful. All right. So in the light, it's like a dark purple, but let's see what the sprayer is like. Yes, I can it smells like rose petals, straight up rose petals, like my backdrop. I love the smell of roses, but it's a very strong smell of roses. So If you don't like the smell of rose, you're not going to like this, to be honest with you. But I love it. So, I'm excited for that. I mean, look at this. They're just so beautiful, and it's glass. All right, I got to calm down.
Take a Xanax. My husband. Calm down. We all have different ones. I don't need Xanax.
Okay, so this is an eye cream. Oh, the mist, did I tell you how much the mist was? $22. This is $28. It's called the Radiant Eye Cream. Well, that's tiny. But with eye cream, you don't need that much. Very little, but that is really tiny. Because this is one of the most expensive things. And it's filled up to the top, but it doesn't have a scent, which I'm so glad there's no scent. And you can see it's like thick. And that's how I like my eye creams. Nice and thick. That's what she said. But no, seriously, I do, especially like at nighttime, you know? Like during the day, I want to be matte. At night, I want to be like so oily and greasy, you know? That way my face can like, I don't know, it's like a mental thing, you know? But this is like my face. It's kind of like if you got in your BoxyCharm the Saturday Skin eye cream, how thick that was, this is exactly how this is. So this is just very, very tiny. Okay, so this is an exfoliator, and if you are not new to my channel, you know I love me some exfoliating. I don't know why, I just love it. The harder, the better. That didn't sound right either, but you guys know what I mean. I don't know. I just love exfoliating. So this is $22. And this, I think, is the powder, and you just add water to it, which I rather have it like that. Yeah, it's like powder. You guys can't see. Look at the safety seal. Now, how cute is that? Come on. But it's a powder, so I'm not going to, like, pour it. But you would just add water to it. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Yeah, it's water activated. So that's good. All right. The next thing is a serum. Yes, you got to have a serum. And this is $25. It's called the Promise Serum. And it's a facial serum, it says. And it has niacinamide, zinc, PCA, and snow mushroom that helps control levels for a balanced, healthy looking complexion. So if you're allergic to mushrooms, you're not going to be able to use this. I am not. There's not really a lot of things that my face is very sensitive to, which I'm happy. Packaging is really nice, but look at that. Okay. So it's like a clear. Ooh. Okay. Well, that doesn't have really a scent either. I'm so happy, so happy. It doesn't have a lot of scent. I wish that the mist didn't have a strong rose, even though it doesn't bother me, but I know it will bother a lot of people, you know? So, okay. And last but not least, I believe this is the one I got in my BoxyCharm, right? Or is this something different? This is something different. So this is a balm for your skin. It says a soothing skin balm for the face and body, formulated with camellia seed oil, rose of Jericho, avocado oil, and shea butter. And that's tiny too. How much was that? Did I even say? $12. Okay, I can see because this thing is tiny. And it's like a balm. I know a lot of people use stuff like this to help like take their makeup off, because you can use this balm. This is the type of stuff I like to kind of help take my makeup off, but I mean, this is so tiny, you can't do that. But you can also use balm on your face, on your elbows. This is so tiny. I don't know if this is full size, because if it is, that puppy's tiny. But I would probably put this on my elbows and stuff, me personally. Or under your eyes, you know. All right, so let's recap everything that we received in this month's box. So we have a cleanser. We have the mist, which I really like the scent. We have a water activated exfoliator. So it's like a powder exfoliator. We have an eye cream. We have a serum. And then we have a balm. I mean, it just looks so pretty. Like, I just can't explain it. You know, it would look really, really pretty. I really like this a lot. I don't know why I'm so excited for it. It's because Alicia Keys, you know, growing up in the like, what year did it come out, the music? Is it like the 90s? I want to say, right? Hey Siri, what year was Alicia Keys' first song?
At the Club by Alicia Keys. An Ice Cold came out on April 11th, 2000.
Okay, so 2000. So I was close enough, but I remember those days. I was like in my early 20s because let's see, Lexi was born in 2000. Got pregnant in 99 and I was 23 or 24. I think I was 24 when I had her. So yeah, and I'm going to be 46 next month. So like Alicia Keys has been, you know, been around for a minute, you know, she's like an OG. So I was happy when she came out with the skincare line because she used to wear like makeup and then I don't know what happened. Then she stopped wearing makeup and she's like all natural. I mean, she's beautiful. So this is perfect that she came out with skincare because if she would have came out with makeup, I would have been like, well, that's a cash grab. Because she doesn't wear makeup anymore. Do you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let me know what you think of this box. Let me know if you tried Keys, if you tried her brand and what you think of it. Do you get AIA? Let me know all the tea down below. Please like this video. It really does help me out and it only takes a second, or dislike it. Make sure you comment. Commenting helps me out too. So let me know how your day's going. What do you think of the AIA Beauty Box? Leave an emoji. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on because we all know YouTube doesn't like notifying anybody anymore. So turn the notification bell on and hopefully that'll work. And if you're not into subscription boxes anymore, I've been saying it in most of my videos that I'm trying to change the channel up a little bit and do like get readies with me. I'm going to do makeup reviews. I'm still going to do some unboxings, of course, but I'm going to change it up a little bit. So I'm just not a strictly unboxing channel. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Alrighty. I'm like a 12-year-old kid, like all excited and stuff, but I can't help it. I can't help it. I love me some Alicia Keys. Love her so much. All right, I made a mess. I just like literally threw the boxes like I'm doing right now on the floor. Oh my goodness. Get it together, girl. Isn't that pretty though? You can't tell me that's not pretty. Okay, I'm getting off. I'm getting off.